Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're struggling with your weight and searching for a solution that actually works, you're in the right place. Today, I want to share how I lost weight fast using just 3 simple tips. These tips not only transformed my body, but also changed my mindset towards health and fitness. So, whether you're just starting out or looking for something new to jumpstart your journey, you'll want to stick around. Trust me, tip number 3 is a total game changer. Let's be honest. Losing weight can feel overwhelming, especially with all the conflicting information out there. But it doesn't have to be complicated. When I began my journey, I realized that making small, sustainable changes was the key. I wasn't interested in extreme diets or spending hours in the gym. Instead, I focused on habits that fit into my lifestyle and brought me lasting results. So, grab a snack, get comfortable, and let's dive into the first tip that helped me kickstart my weight loss journey. My first tip is to start each day with a high-protein breakfast. This was a total game changer for me. In the past, I would often skip breakfast or grab something quick and sugary, like a donut or a bowl of cereal. I thought I was saving calories, but I was actually setting myself up for failure. Skipping breakfast made me hungrier later, leading to poor food choices throughout the day. When I started eating a high-protein breakfast, everything changed. Protein is essential for building and repairing tissues, and it helps keep you full longer. It stabilizes your blood sugar levels, which is crucial for avoiding those energy crashes and cravings later in the day. For my breakfasts, I began experimenting with a variety of protein-rich foods. One of my favorites became scrambled eggs with spinach and feta cheese. Not only was it delicious, but it kept me satisfied for hours. On busy mornings, I would whip up a quick smoothie with Greek yogurt, spinach, a banana, and a scoop of protein powder. This tasty option was not only easy to prepare, but also packed with nutrients. Another great option was overnight oats. I would mix rolled oats with Greek yogurt and almond milk, add a tablespoon of chia seeds, and let it sit in the fridge overnight. In the morning, I'd top it with fresh fruits and nuts. This made for a nutritious and filling breakfast that took only minutes to prepare. By starting my day with a high-protein breakfast, I noticed a significant decrease in cravings for unhealthy snacks. I felt more energized and focused, which made it easier to stick to my healthy eating goals. If you haven't already, I highly recommend making this simple change. It might be the key to unlocking your weight loss potential. Now that you know how starting your day with a protein-packed breakfast can set you up for more success, let's move on to my second tip that played a crucial role in my weight loss journey. This tip is something most of us overlook, but it's incredibly effective. Are you ready for it? Here it comes! All right, now let's move on to my second powerful tip. Drink more water, especially before meals. Now, I know what you're thinking. Water? That's too simple. But trust me, sometimes the simplest changes can have the most profound effects. When I first started trying to lose weight, I would reach for snacks constantly. I assumed I was hungry, but in reality, my body was just thirsty. It's actually common to mistake thirst for hunger because the brain sends similar signals for both. So, I decided to start drinking a glass of water before I ate anything. This one small habit had a surprising impact on my weight loss. Every morning, I would begin my day with a large glass of water, and I made it a goal to drink at least 8 glasses throughout the day to stay on track. I invested in a reusable water bottle, which made it easier to remember. I also set reminders on my phone to take a few sips every hour, especially when I was busy. One of the biggest game changers was drinking a glass of water before each meal. I would aim to drink about 16 ounces, or half a liter, around 30 minutes before eating. By doing this, I was filling my stomach with water first, which made me feel fuller and helped me eat less. This not only reduced my portion sizes, but also helped curb cravings for unhealthy snacks throughout the day. For those of you who find plain water boring, there are plenty of ways to make it more enjoyable. I began adding slices of lemon, cucumber, or even berries to my water for a hint of flavor. Not only does it taste refreshing, but these additions can also provide a few extra nutrients. Another benefit I discovered was improved digestion. Drinking water regularly helped my body process food more efficiently and flush out toxins. Staying hydrated is vital for your overall health, and it gives your metabolism a little boost, which is always helpful on a weight loss journey. Now, if you're wondering how much water to drink, it really depends on your body and activity level. I personally aim for about 2 to 3 liters a day, but you can adjust based on what feels right for you. Start small and work your way up if you need to. The key is consistency. By simply staying hydrated and drinking water before meals, I noticed my energy levels were more stable, and my cravings were easier to control. This small change made a big difference, and it's something anyone can start today. But remember, we still have one more tip to go, and trust me, this last one is the most exciting. It's a trick that doesn't require a single visit to the gym, but can have a major impact on your weight loss. Are you ready? Let's jump right into it. All right, here's the final tip, and it's the one that surprised me the most. Find ways to move more throughout the day. Without hitting the gym, I used to believe that weight loss required long, intense workouts, but I soon learned that adding small bursts of movement into my daily routine could actually make a huge difference. So, instead of trying to force myself into long workouts, I decided to keep things simple. I started by taking the stairs instead of the elevator whenever I could. Even small actions, like parking further away in the parking lot, gave me extra steps and added up throughout the day. I also incorporated movement breaks during my workday. Sitting for long periods can slow your metabolism, which doesn't help with weight loss. So, I set a timer to remind myself to get up every hour, stretch, or take a quick walk around. Sometimes, I'd even put on my favorite song and dance around for a few minutes. It's fun and makes a surprising difference. Another simple change I made was adding a short walk after meals. It didn't have to be long, just 10 to 15 minutes around the neighborhood. This not only helped with digestion, but also boosted my metabolism. Studies show that walking after meals can stabilize blood sugar levels, which helps prevent cravings and energy crashes later on. For days when I wanted a bit more, I found online videos for quick 10-minute workouts that didn't require any equipment. These short workouts were easy to fit into my schedule, and I could do them right at home. From bodyweight exercises like squats and push-ups to stretching routines, I found plenty of options that kept me active without needing to go to the gym. Beyond just losing weight, these small changes helped me feel more energetic and positive. Moving throughout the day didn't feel like a chore. Instead, it became something I enjoyed. The best part? I was able to build a habit of staying active without having to follow a strict workout plan. So, there you have it. My 3 simple tips that helped me lose weight fast and keep it off. Let's quickly recap. Start your day with a high-protein breakfast to fuel your body and keep cravings at bay. Drink more water, especially before meals, to help with portion control and stay hydrated. And finally, find ways to move more throughout your day without needing a gym. These small, sustainable changes have had a huge impact on my life. And the best part is that they're easy to maintain. You don't need fancy equipment, strict diets, or hours in the gym. Just a few simple adjustments, and you'll be on your way to achieving your weight loss goals. Remember, everyone's journey is different, and it's okay to start small. Consistency is key, and each step you take brings you closer to a healthier, happier version of yourself. So, why not start today? Try out these tips and see how they work for you. You might be surprised at how effective they can be. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed these tips, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which tip you're excited to try. Let's keep supporting each other on this journey to better health. See you in the next video.